Hi everybody, I'm Kashif Rashid, Lead Solution Engineer SASE. I'm working for VMware.
In this video, I'm going to explain how we can deploy VMware SASE Secure Access. So let's start the deployment. And first of all, you have to log into the orchestrator, VMware SD-WAN network orchestrator. So let's log in by having your credentials. Once you log in, you will be landed into this page where you will find that it's a single pane of glass of having all the functionalities: SD-WAN, Cloud App Security, Secure Access, and now we would like to deploy that Secure Access in this particular video. Let's click the Secure Access and just you will be having the wizard of Secure Access. In this Secure Access, you can go ahead and deploy multiple UEG components, which is the gateway termination point for the users coming from anywhere, work from home, or coming from some different devices using VMware Workspace ONE clients in the iPad, in the different mobile phone, tablets. So there will be Power App Tunnel will be configured for them. So let's deploy this secure access gateway. Just click New Service. There are certain prerequisites before coming here, so you must be understanding that there are different configurations is required before you reach up to this. I will be covering that UEM part in a different video, but definitely you must, once you have done the configuration and you should have all of these details with you, you can go ahead and create and deploy that secure access. So you can give the DNS name, which is configured in the UEM, and then you have to provide the URL for the UEM API URL, and then you must be having that UEM org group ID, which is you have already created in the UEM. And then you will go ahead give the credentials, which is also created in the UEM, and the password should be there. So I have that username and password is already here. So then you click check. It will go and do the certain validations. I feel there is a wrong username and password, so probably there is no need for email, and it was a wrong username and password. You click here again, and it will go and do the validation. So, and you can see that configuration valid. Please check, click next. So it means that all the configuration which you have done in the UM is correct, and then that's why it's already validated. You click this configure tunnel hostname with the org group, so you have to enable checkbox this tick this checkbox, and then you click next. In this you can select that particular, this window is mainly integration with SD-WAN, and then you will go ahead and just click the DNS, and if you have done some other your DNS configuration which is available in your SD-WAN, it will be appearing in this particular in this window. So here is, these are the two DNS configured in the VMware SD-WAN. And then you have the SD-WAN segment which you would like to integrate. So if you have a global, in this case I'm doing for global segment, so I'm selected, and if you have a PCI or any other, it will be, the dropdown will be here, and you can select the any segment you want to integrate for secure access. So this is the IP subnet which you want to give it when the remote access client will be installed, and then that it will go to the internet will be using this particular IP range. And you can set the bits, how many bits you want to use, 2 3. It will basically 3 will be result of basically it will allow you how many pops UAG pops gateway pops you can deploy, as well as it will be divided the subnet into this bits based on that subnetting will be done for number of pops which you are going to configure it. Just do next, and then you will be having the drop down list where all the VMware SASE pops you will be finding it here, in which you can see that it's London and Frankfurt, or all different pops. So for the sake of just demo purpose, I'm just go ahead and deploy 2 pops in London and Frankfurt. You can go up to 5 pops, it's available, you can go ahead and select it. Yeah, then click next, and then this is the menu where you can apply Cloud Web Security, which we have already created in another video. You must be seeing it. You can see this, all the Cloud Web Security is by default is already integrated, and you can see the drop down. This means that you have the consistent policy for the SD-WAN and secure access. So there is no different places you have to create different policies, or you don't need to do the manual stitching. It's already all done on the background. And then you can go ahead and do next, and you just give the name. Let's say any name you can give, and then just click finish. The moment you do click finish, it will go ahead and deploy. It will take a couple of minutes, definitely 2 to 3 minutes. And once it up and running, so we can go and do another video where we can basically connect this particular gateway. So means that this is the UEG gateway, which is the VMware Workspace one, which we have deployed in our one of the SASE POP, and then the remote clients will be connected per app tunnel with this particular gateway, which is hosted in a VMware SASE location, and do all the integration part. All applied cloud web security will be applied, as well as it will go to the internet, or all or have the per app tunnel. That's the today finish of this demo part, and we will have another video in which I will be explaining how we will connect this particular UEG gateway. Thank you very much.